Hi guys, so today I got a package from Aliexpress. I use permanent marker to avoid seeing people my address and the address for Aliexpress. Aliexpress's products come from China. I ordered the stuff I need on September 9th, 2018, and today is September 21st, 2018. It says I got 2 colored shells. Also, 2 sets of buttons and a silicone button. Let's open it and see. Alrighty, so I chose 2 colors from AliExpress. This one is indigo and this one is orange. I also bought 2 sets of buttons along with 2 silicone pads. 1 set of gray buttons and 1 set of yellow colored buttons and 2 silicone pads. And there's 2 serial numbers for both the 2 shells. Let's open all the stuff up and see. I got 2 sets of silicone pads. These are high quality conductive silicone pads. These are yellow buttons, and these are light gray buttons. They're both high quality. Along with these 2 shells, they're high quality, while the Game Boy Advance shells on eBay are cheaper quality, but these 2 shells are high quality. Let's see what's inside this shell here. First I'll do the orange. It comes with the plastic lens. It also comes with light gray buttons and screws. Roll over on the indigo one. It also comes with the plastic lens. And gray buttons and screws, just like the orange one does. So that's all. Bye.